Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to this traditional Chinese local massage place. So let's dive in. You can see there are different massage places also. This side is for food. Yeah, but I'm going to this one. There's one here. Here. Anyhow. What do you think?
你好，
Hello.
你是非洲人吗？
啊，我是外国人。
外国的。
对。
他经常来呀。
问一下，这个按摩是？
就是按摩就是
推拿按摩嘛，
疏通经络，处理颈肩腰腿疼不舒服的地方，
都有好处，对吧？
对，都有好处。
都有好处。
嗯，
颈肩腰腿疼都可以推拿按摩。
可以做多长时间的
1个小时、半个小时都有。
那是我今天我的那个
膝盖疼。
有点疼，我们可以做就是你有一个药可以帮我。
就是
可以啊。
对。
明白了。
那我做1个小时吗？还是半个小时
？1个小时。
1个小时。
那个药还用了，就上次你那个朋友吗？
他拿一瓶。
他拿了一瓶88。他拿了一瓶。
对，大家给我说，大家觉得那个药
很好。
用了有一点舒服。
你不是你经常的有时候锻炼呀，拿回家你都是晚上擦一下呀，你包一下你上来睡。
每天嘛，早上晚上。
还有好处，它是活血的、祛湿的、通经络的。哪个不舒服了你擦一下呀，你就。
好的。那。
开始吧。
开始吧。这样嘛，
哎，理解。
Tui Na literally means pinch and pull to stimulate chi flow and promote total body harmony. This massage is aptly named because you will feel this pinch and pull during the massage therapy session. This treatment is somewhat similar to acupuncture since it targets pressure points on the body. However, it doesn't use needles. Practitioners of the Chinese Tui Na massage rely on their fingers, hands, elbows, and the knees to apply pressure and stimulate pressure points. For this reason, Tui Na is also referred to as the high art of physical touch. This treatment is safe and well tolerated by a wide range of people. However, note that it is not always a gentle massage, so you could feel discomfort when you are pinched, pulled, and pressured on during the session. If you are seeking a relaxing massage, this could not meet your needs, especially if you are particularly sensitive to pinching and pulling. Some people like the pressure and others don't. Tui Na massage might not be suitable for those who are prone to fractures, bruises, and vein inflammations. You should avoid this therapy when you have an open wound.
这个保佑就行，这能保佑。
这个要吃中药吗？
对。
哦。
中药，我写的。
就这样放多长时间？
一个多小时，2个小时。
2个小时。
2小时拿掉。
啊。
可以。
可以。
Can you feel anything?
No.
Like, is it burning or something like that?
Not yet.
它有会热，你不管它啊。
上回来安过来的啊。
你要第一次来吗？给你护眼睛啊？不是啊，你要对，再下次来都不能会。
哎呀，谢谢。
不是。
谢谢。它是多少
？75，今天的磨药给你没。
磨药10块钱给免了，收75块钱。
75好。
75。
谢谢。
上直线可以。
支付宝。
可以，支付宝也可以。
付了。
收到。
好，拜拜。
好。
我下次肯定要过来。
好。
对。
好。
现在我觉得我感觉有点舒服。
有点
舒服好。
对，比以前好。
好。
Yeah, guys. So after the massage, I feel much comfortable because from before I was feeling a kind of tense on my shoulders, but yeah, now I think I feel more relaxed. Yeah, there was a point I almost fell asleep, because it makes you comfy and then relax. So I think I'll recommend this place. If you are in Wuhan, you can come and try this place. There's the name. Baojian Aomodian. So you can check it out. And so thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like this video, share, comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.